In this video, we'll take a look at the best DeWalt LED work lights, perfect for any job site. These lights combine powerful performance, durability, and versatility to meet all your lighting needs. The DeWalt 20V Max LED work light is a solid choice for anyone needing reliable, high-performance lighting on the job site. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery platform, this work light offers both high 1000 lumens and low 300 lumens brightness settings to adapt to different tasks. The 140-degree pivoting head provides excellent flexibility, allowing you to direct the light exactly where it's needed. Built to withstand tough environments, the light features a durable, over-molded lens cover and a 360-degree rotating hook for hands-free operation. The rechargeable design means you can keep going without worrying about replacing batteries, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option. With a solid 4.8-star rating and over 12,000 reviews, it's clear that the DeWalt 20V Max LED work light delivers on both performance and durability. Whether you're working in tight spaces or on large projects, this light has you covered. You're going to want to check out the DeWalt 20V Max cordless LED work light with tripod base kit. This light has everything you need for tough job sites. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery, it offers a reliable, long-lasting performance. The telescoping pole extends up to 7 feet, giving you excellent height to eliminate shadows and provide optimal coverage. With 3 brightness settings, it's perfect for both detailed tasks and large workspace illumination. Built to withstand the elements, this light features a tough shroud and an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring it holds up in even the harshest environments. Whether you're working outdoors or in a workshop, the over 11-hour runtime means you won't be left in the dark. The tripod base adds stability, making it easy to position the light exactly where you need it. Reliable, versatile, and built to last, this work light is a must-have. The DeWalt 12V 20V Max cordless hood light is the go-to option for anyone working on vehicles. With an impressive 1,700 lumens of light output, it's bright enough to handle even the most challenging work environments. This model is unique for its ability to extend from 51 to 74 inches, giving you a significant reach to light up larger vehicles. The 360-degree rotating padded hooks are a standout feature, allowing you to securely attach the light without worrying about scratching the vehicle's paint. While it's designed for maximum adjustability, it also has a compact, foldable design for easy storage and transport. It's compatible with 12V, 20V, and 60V batteries, making it a versatile addition to your tool collection. Overall, it's a tough, reliable work light that performs well on any job site, with the perfect mix of brightness and portability. The DeWalt 20V Max LED work light is an impressive handheld spotlight designed for versatility and durability. It offers a 1500 lumen output that can light up job sites or outdoor spaces with ease, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIYers. While it can project light up to 508 yards, the standout feature is the 90-degree pivoting head, which allows users to direct light in multiple directions while standing on its base. This makes it ideal for hands-free operation in various positions. The light also features 2 brightness settings, giving you the flexibility to choose between maximum brightness or extended runtime. The rugged design includes an over-molded lens cover, protecting the light from damage and providing a non-marring surface. Plus, its belt hook and integral hook ensure easy transportation and additional hands-free use, making this spotlight a must-have for any toolkit.